Hello and welcome to Peggy's Plants, coming to you from Central Florida. This video is sponsored by Temu. Temu is an online marketplace where I purchase many of my plant supplies at affordable prices. You can download the Temu app and use code ACN411899 to get a $100 coupon bundle from Temu. Click on the affiliate link in the description box to purchase the same products shown in this video today. You'll also get a 30% discount by using my affiliate code, which is also shown in the description box below. So now let's get into this package and I can show you some of the things that I chose from the Temu website, many of which I have purchased from them before. I made a point of picking practical items that you may be interested in using yourself. This first item is a roll of plant ties. It's the green garden wire, and this is great for staking tomatoes and other things in your garden. Okay, let's keep it moving. The next item that I selected from the Temu website is, if I can get it out of the bag here. Okay, this bag of natural clay pebbles used for hydroponics, which a lot of us are doing nowadays with our plants. Temu offers several size bags of this at different price points. Links to each of these individual items are down below in my description box. So the next item that I selected is this. This is a pack of 100 white plastic waterproof plant labels. You'll actually see these in most of my pots. I like to use them to put what kind of plant it is, and on the back I like to write on there where I got it from, how much I paid, and anything else that I feel like is pertinent information. Here's one right here. I used my label gun and put the name on the front, and there's actually some of the clay pebbles in this pot as well. Moving on to the next item that I selected. Let me get into this package here. Okay, this is moss. A lot of people use this for water towers, propagations. I use this quite a bit, as do most of you who do moss poles. Yeah, moss gets expensive. This is the best price moss that I have found so far, so I use quite a bit of this. Okay, on to the next item, if I can get it out. Okay, now you're going to think this isn't plant related, but I'll show you how it can be. This is actually an aroma diffuser. You know, the things you put the water in and some essential oils, and it does the mist that makes everything smell good and like that. But I'm highly into aesthetics, as you all know. So I saw this one on Temu and it has that rattan look. And so I had to have this, and it has the automatic shut off and all of that, which I love. So I'm going to show you how I use this for my plants. It has a nice size reservoir, so I just take plain water with nothing added, put the top back on it, and there you have it, a little humidifier for my plants. And this is great for small areas where I don't have a lot of plants, but I want to add a little humidity. I use aroma diffusers as humidifiers, especially when they look really nice and mesh with my decor. Okay, the next item is, this is a roll of the hook and loop fasteners, the plant ties. Many of us use these. I've seen them on different channels and stuff. I love this stuff. It's reusable. And the thing I use it most for is attaching my plants to moss poles. It comes in different widths as well as different lengths. I highly recommend these hook and loop fasteners. However, they can be a little pricey actually. It seems so simple and basic, but they can be pricey. But Temu, I have found them to be the cheapest that I can find them anywhere. Now, this next item is probably my most purchased item on Temu. and it is moss poles. These are the 6 packs of moss poles, and what I really like too is they come with the hook and loop fasteners included. Always like that. A little freebie is always good. But if you've bought these in the States, you know they can be very pricey. And I used them again. These are what I build my moss poles from. If you saw my moss pole video, this is what I was using. They came from Temu. And I selected the 24-inch as well as the 15-inch moss poles, both of which come in the pack of 6. And now I'm down to what I believe is the last item that I selected. Yeah, this is the last item. And it is, let's see, it's a 3-pack of garden fabric grow bag pots. Now, these breathable bags are wonderful for planting outside. If you don't have an in-ground garden, you can plant tomato plants and things like that in these. But I also like to use them inside of my decorative pots indoors as well as outdoors, because you can plant in them, lower them down into your decorative pot, and then just pull them back out when you need to repot. So you won't end up having to use a plastic bucket like I did. And these grow bags come in several different sizes. So that's about it. Thank you so much, Temu, for your sponsorship, and thank all of you for watching. Don't forget to look in the description box below, download the app, use my code ACN411899 to get your $100 coupon bundle. Click on my affiliate link to make a purchase and get your 30% discount. So thank you so much. Take care, stay well, and I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.